Looking for the best bunion splints? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 bunion splints on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. NatraCure, Gel Bunion Guards and Toe Spreaders. Exceedingly comfortable. Soft gel design reduces pain and pain caused by pressure and friction. Toe spreader helps maintain proper alignment. Enhanced with slow-release medical-grade mineral oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. Adjustable for use on both feet. If you experience irritation or discomfort while wearing shoes, this option offers instant soothing protection and keeps skin in great shape at the same time. May shift when worn without socks. At number 2. Flyen, Bunion Corrector, and Bunion Sleeves Kit. Comfortable gel padded sleeves. Built-in toe separators. Protective gel padding. Suitable for around-the-clock use. Pliable, breathable guards help with tight shoes. Standard spacers offer corrective support. Includes big toe strap for exercising and strengthening muscles. All silicone components are 100% medical grade. Customizable. This package provides everything you need for effective pain relief, protection, and toe alignment. A value-packed choice. A few accounts of the sleeve spacers falling off after washing. At number 1. Aidmate, Bunion Corrector, and Bunion Relief Kit. Made from high-quality medical-grade materials. Fully adjustable. Built-in metal plate for supportive correction and toe alignment. Soft silicone pad for comfort. Forms to foot's natural shape. Allows unrestricted movement. Can be worn under socks. Comfortable enough for all-day use. Designed by orthopedists and surgeons, this premium bunion splint provides effective support without compromising comfort. Hook and loop straps need occasional readjustment to maintain secure fit. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.